Hello everyone, welcome to Adele Crochet. In this video, I'll be making this warm and lovely winter hat with you. As you can see, it's a new design, perfect for adults, and looks great on both adults and kids. Most importantly, it's stretchy, warm, and soft. Winter is coming, so get ready. Follow along step by step. It's super easy, even for beginners. Let's get started. For this project, I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook, Lady Yarn Muffin yarn in white, 100% acrylic, and Tunkstar Maxi yarn in purple, 100% acrylic. Start by making 12 chains. Make single crochet stitches. CH1, SC in both loops of the first street, BLO, SC across to the last street, SC in both loops of the last saint. Repeat this and work more rows in this way until reaching the desired size. Now I've reached the right size for the hat circumference. Of course, this fits adults. If you want to make it for children, just reduce the number of rows to match the child's size. Alright, now I'll join the edges together with single crochet to form a circle. Cut the yarn and weave in the end under the stitches. With new color, CH2, DC across. SL Street to 2nd CH, CH1. Work FPDC around the CH2, then FPDC in the next street to have 2 FPDC. Work BPDC in the next 3 STS, then FPDC in the next 2 STS. Repeat from across the entire row. Join with SL Street. Join with a slip stitch in the chain. Work FPDC over the 2 front post stitches and BPDC over the 3 back post stitches. Repeat this pattern for as many rows as needed until you reach your desired hat length. I'll stop at this length. Next, I'm going to fold up the brim of the hat like this. Now I will start decreasing. Chain 1. Then work a FPDC around each of the next 2 FPDC. Skip the first BPDC, work a BPDC around the second BPDC only, and skip the third BPDC. Then work a FPDC around each of the next 2 FPDC. Repeat this pattern around to the end of the round. Join with a SL Street in the first CH, CH1. Work a FPDC around each of the 2 FPDC, skipping the BPDC. Repeat this pattern around, then work one more round the same way to close up the crown. Once finished, insert the hook under the last 2 FPDC to make a slip stitch. Fasten off, cut the yarn and weave in the ends under the stitches.